Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix the unknown USB device. The device descriptor request failed. All you need to do is press Windows plus R to open up Run, or you can search it up here as well. So we'll search up Run. I'll just show you. This is very easy and simple. Click on Open. This is how I fixed it, okay? You need to enter this command. So it is msdt.exe. Type it in exactly like you see, space ID, space device diagnostic. Exactly, guys. Type it in and then click on OK. So we're running that. We'll just wait for this to open up. All right, there we go. We have hardware and devices. So it says find and fix problems with devices and hardware. Click on advanced. Make sure this is toggled on. Okay, very, very important. Apply the repairs automatically and then go ahead and click on next. Now Windows has this very convenient facility you can use to perform troubleshooting on your hardware devices that actually fixed my issue. So just go ahead and run this and it will fix your issue as well. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions.